In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Auto Picture-in-Picture on Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful setting if you want videos to keep playing in a small floating window while you switch tabs or browse other websites. It can make multitasking much easier, whether you're watching tutorials, following along with a course, or keeping an eye on a video while working. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all of the browser settings. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can customize how the browser works. On the left side or within the settings menu, click on the Privacy and Security. This section controls many of Chrome's content and permission settings, so it's the right place to adjust picture-in-picture options. Next, click on Site Settings. Site Settings lets you manage permissions for websites, including things like camera access, notifications, pop-ups, and more. Now scroll down until you find Additional Permissions, then click it. This section contains more advanced site permission controls that are not shown at the top of the page. After that, scroll down again and click on Automatic Picture-in-Picture. This is the setting that controls whether websites can automatically move video into a picture-in-picture window. Once you open it, you'll see an option that says sites can enter picture-in-picture automatically. Select that option to enable the feature. After you turn it on, supported websites will be able to pop videos out automatically when needed, making it easier to keep watching content while doing other tasks. And that's it. Auto Picture-in-Picture is now enabled on Chrome. If this guide helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy browser tips, Chrome tutorials, and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.